Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can speed up your PC using simple steps. So step 1, change the power settings.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours.
So here I reduced the hard disk to 300 minutes.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
So I'm increasing the time because I want it to stay longer before it goes off. Therefore, it will not use so much of my time when I'm rebooting the PC.
Never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be.
So just check everything is okay, then hit apply. Second step is open the task manager using the Ctrl+Shift+Escape shortcut. Then switch off all the applications that are starting automatically when you boot up your PC. So disable all of them if you only want to use it when you will just open it the time you want to use it.
And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.
Third step is turn off the Windows notification because they are silent in the background and they are using too much memory to keep you updated of everything that you don't need actually. So turn off show me tips about Windows, show notifications, switch off. Then the fourth step, turn off the OneDrive if you are not using it. Most people don't use OneDrive, so it's by default it's on, and when you log in using online account it's on by default, so switch off. Then the fifth step, you open the command prompt and type services.msc. Here we block all the backgrounds and necessary actions that are ongoing. So just follow these steps, then switch off.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long.
So Windows search, as you can see, is running, so we need to stop that. Okay, then click yes. After it's stopped, click OK and exit.
Never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be.
The sixth step, run the CC cleaner. The sixth and the last step. If you don't have, just download it from your browser, it's free. Then run it. Install and run. So with the free version, we can be able to clear some unnecessary files also on the ground, the temporary files that internet browsers keeps, like cookies, caches, and other files. So just check everything as I'm showing here. Then for future use, just enable all users so that you can be able to do this on every account you log in on that PC. So I schedule that to be automatically cleaning my PC every a certain period of time as shown, so that whenever I forget to do it, it automatically clean my PC and it keeps it on updated fast every time. Okay. Now that your PC feels under the weather, we need to make it better. So give it some time. Now your PC now feels like a superstar. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you want to remember this, you should like so that it saves itself on your liked video. You can refer back any other time you want to clean another PC. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.
Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.